morning, friends. Welcome back to our French lesson for today. Today, we are going to vary how we ask for one's name by referring to specific names and how to respond to such questions. If you want to make a friend confirm his or her name, you could ask, "Tu t'appelles?" followed by a blank space and ended by a question mark, as is shown here. For example, "Tu t'appelles Kofi?" "Tu t'appelles Magdalene?" Which means, "Tu t'appelles Kofi?" Is your name Kofi? Or are you called Kofi? "Tu t'appelles Magdalene?" Is your name Magdalene? Or are you called Magdalene? The questions are open-ended, so you begin your response by yes or no, followed by an affirmative response or otherwise. Let's pronounce yes and no in French. Oui. Non. Oui means yes. No means no. Let's come back to our previous question. How will you respond to "Tu t'appelles Kofi?" That depends on whether you bear the name Kofi or otherwise. If your name is Kofi, then your response to the question "Tu t'appelles Kofi?" would be, "Oui, je m'appelle Kofi." If your name isn't Kofi but Yao, then your response would be, "Non, je m'appelle Yao." Let's do the same with the second question. Listen carefully as I ask the question again. "Tu t'appelles Magdalene?" Let's assume your name is Magdalene. How would you respond to the question "Tu t'appelles Magdalene"? What response will you give? Hope your guess is good as mine. I hope your responses will be as this. "Tu t'appelles Magdalene?" Oui, je m'appelle Magdalene. What if you are not Magdalene, but Mary? If so, your response should be like the following. "Tu t'appelles Magdalene?" The response should be, "Non, je m'appelle Mary." Next time we meet, we are going to deal first with first names and followed by surnames, and how to solicit for those names, as well as how to give appropriate responses to questions that solicit for those names. Continue to like, follow, share, and subscribe to our videos so we can make more videos for your consumption. Until we meet in our next lesson, it is bye-bye for now.